Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to restore trades profile after deactivation. So let's go into our trades, and right here I will just go and deactivate my trades profile. So just to show you how to deactivate it. So as you can see right here, I will deactivate my account. So either I can choose to deactivate profile or delete profile. If I delete profile, I can't restore it anymore. So I will just go into the deactivate profile, and then I will go into deactivate. Okay, so they automatically log you out. So to get back to your account, what you need to do, or to deactivate your account, what you gotta do is to go to your Instagram and to log in with okay, sorry, to log in with the account that's attached to that account that you deactivate on trades. So once you logged on the account, you need to get back to your trades account, and then you just need to switch the profile. Sorry, right? So you need to go to your trades profile on the bottom right corner, and right here I want you to tap on the hold this icon. So right here, as you can see, either you can stay on your account or add profile. You are going to add profile choice, and right here you will find the account that you deactivate. So by tapping on it, it's simply as it is, you will restore your account profile or trades profile after deactivation. Anyways guys, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.